Dan Van Zanten, the Cruising Yachts, and this is the Jeanneau 409 2-cabin, 2-head layout, which I'm going to do a quick and brief walkthrough just to show you the layout and what it looks like. So just step up into the swing platform for the cockpit here. I'm going to come in real quick. Of course, you have the salon area, settee, nav station, the aft head and shower. Nice station. Plenty of storage. Deep storage back here. Coming back out, just coming over to the starboard side of the aft cabin. Hanging lockers. And then we'll just scan the galley here, top loading refrigeration, microwave, counter space. We're going to go forward here to the master. We'll come into the, here is the head and shower in the master. Hanging locker. Plenty of storage. And that's it.